Professor M.M. Sufyan Beg Sir, Principal ZSCT, Professor Salman Hamid, Chairman Electrical Engineering Department, and Professor Rehan Sir, Vice Chairperson IEEE UP Section, and all my dear colleagues. I assure all my colleagues and juniors that the events which will be conducted by our students branch throughout the week will give them an enlightening experience. Our IEEE student branch look forward to arrange such events on a large scale throughout the academic session. I also want to thank Mr. Mohammad Zaid sir, Dr. Mohammad Tariq sir, and Ms. Korotalan ma'am for their constant guidance and support. Now I welcome Bharat Bhai to kindly address us.
Hey, hello everyone. So, I'm Bharat Nandan, and my hometown is in Chandausi, in district Sambal, Uttar Pradesh. So, I did my BTech in electrical engineering in 2017. I'm 2017 batch alumni, and then I had a 3-year MTech from IIT Bombay. That is a research assistantship program, and in power electronics. So, like, am I audible now?
Yes, Bhai, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah.
Just go ahead.
So, and currently I am working as a power electronics engineer in a Eaton, in a company named Eaton, which has a center as Eaton India Innovation Center in Pune. So I am working as a power electronics design engineer there. So yeah, if you have any, if you want to ask anything or something, like, I can share my experience with you. Or
So I think Bharat, you were also associated with IEEE at that time.
yeah, yes,
So
yes.
so we are. I'm happy to welcome you and good to see you that you have done your MTech from IT Bombay, and I'm very thankful that you have joined in recent time. The our team will also contact you for some events. So kindly give some time.
Yeah, sure.
As an
So
alumnus, you have joined. We are very happy, and thank you for joining.
yeah, thank you, sir, for having me here.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, Aslan, you can now
Yes,
move
sir.
ahead with the
Now I
program.
request Professor M.M. Sufyan Beg Sir to kindly share his precious words on this occasion.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, everyone. My colleague Zaid, very dear students. I'm not sure if Salman Hamid Saab is still here or Rehan Saab is here. Anyways, it is very heartening to note that the IEEE week is being inaugurated today. We all must be knowing that IEEE Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineers is the most premier professional body in the electrical, electronics, and computer engineering. Although it doesn't name computer engineering, because it had started in the times when computer was not a separate branch. So, but it has picked up in the area of computer engineering also. So one of the ways of classifying the engineering branches is the circuit branches and the non-circuit branches. So if I say the circuit branches, then IEEE is the most premier body. And I'm really delighted to see the enthusiastic participation in the inaugural session of this IEEE week. And I hope that the same enthusiasm will continue over the week and also for the future times ahead, because these kinds of professional activities help our students in not only getting valuable certificates but also the experience that ensues from such activities, the experience of organizing, the experience of participating, the experience of carrying out or beginning to carry out research. That all counts in your professional career a lot. This should be taken as a beginning, and sky is the limit, because the publication into one of the IEEE transactions is the dream of any electrical electronics computer engineer, because this is the most premier publication body. Also, we have IEEE flagship conferences in all the different thrust areas, like we have IEEE flagship conference on fuzzy logic, on neural networks, on evolutionary computation, on power electronics, and all the different chapters of IEEE. And those chapters keep adding. I think every year they keep adding 2 or 3 chapters. So to be an active participant in all the different chapters, besides being in the IEEE main body, that will count, and that will go a long way in the furtherance of your career. So by your experience, you can also motivate other fellow students to join these branches. In fact, some of the non-circuit engineers, they also find a few things of interest in IEEE. Particularly fuzzy logic is such an application which is being widely used in all the different domains. Similarly, neural networks, everybody is using. Evolutionary computation, everybody is using. So that all counts a lot. So I think that will go a long way in motivating the students of other branches as well. I saw that somebody has raised a hand. Is there something that you want to say, or it has been done accidentally? Anyways, if there's something, I'm around. I'll definitely take up and discuss with you. For now, let me conclude and wish you all the very best in your IEEE week celebrations. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now, moving ahead, I humbly request Professor Tariq sir to come and address our audience.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all. As Sufyan sir has just pointed out, that we also have to see that we can contribute in the research area also. At the beginning level, like at UG level, if we cannot publish in transactions, so at least as sir has guided also, that we can try for some flagship conferences. And I can just inform here that some of the students in this branch have their paper accepted in the flagship conference of the Industrial Electronics Society, which is one of the most prestigious society for electrical engineers. I think 2-3 students have got their paper accepted in that flagship conference, which is scheduled to be held in Canada this year. So I think as sir has pointed out, that this will also motivate other fellow students. So I also have the same opinion that if some of these students who are actively participating in research, because at the if we see that why we are organizing so many webinars and all these things, the main aim is to contribute. So one of the area in which we can contribute is we can do some research and we can share our findings in some journals or in some flagship conferences, or we can develop some prototype and go for some patenting of ideas. So I urge these students who are actually very active in all the events, so to also shed some their some energy in doing these activities. Okay. So with this, I conclude my talk that I urge all the students to also focus on research or on development of some prototype.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to ask our branch counselor, Zad sir, would you like to address our guest and audience?
So thank you, Adiba, for giving me the opportunity, and I'm very glad that you have organized a good number of events. And since the formation of new team, we are starting WIE. We have already started, all credits to your team and Dr. Koratalan for doing that. I'm also happy that you are now, Arsalan has informed me that you are also starting a computer society. Is it correct, Arsalan? You are on it. So I urge Arsalan, since you are from computer engineering, that more and more students from computer and electronics engineering should join. It should not be all the programs should be electrical specific. Yes, electrical has a dominant role in IEEE electronics, but I want that all of your events should be balanced. It should have a multidisciplinary nature, as Principal Saab have just pointed out that there are many things. And I would like to tell all the students who have joined that, since I have talked to Mr. Satish Singh, who is now the chair for the UP section, and he has already assured us that if you are visiting for some conferences in IEEE UP section, 2 or 3 papers of good quality from our institutions, if the students want to present, they can present with the full waiver of fees or at least 50% waiver of the fee. So to get, if you are a member, and I would like to tell Principal Saab that more than 50 students have joined IEEE by paying the membership fee. So we have now members who are IEEE student member by paying a fee of $15 to $17. So we have also got an appreciation from UP section that our membership have considerably increased from 12 or 13 members to more 50 members. And I am hopeful that more PG members from postgraduate, MTech and PhD students will also join. So I encourage all the students, since you are sitting at home, if you want to work on some topic, you can communicate with MTech students, some teachers, and if you want to have an MS program, if you are interested in higher studies, then obviously you can start from now. And I am very hopeful that with this support from IEEE UP section and chair and Rehan Saab, we would like that more and more publications from our students, whether it is UG or PG, will come. So IEEE and Robo Club and Sai India and all these clubs play a very important role in our student activities whenever we go for accreditation. Since many of you might be knowing that in recent months, some accreditation teams will be coming to university as well as to our college. And in that, we have to showcase our IEEE and all our clubs. Okay, so some people think that they are not as useful, but they are very useful for your personal development as well as it for branding the image of our college. Okay, so that branding part is very, very important. And I would like to inform you that whatever events you are doing from IEEE UP section, in Aligarh at ZHCT has got a wide publicity in UP section. We have events have been included in the magazine of UP section, which have just come now. And our quality of events which we are doing, we are organizing programs with foreign international relations. We have just organized the program with the CEO of IEEE, and we are organizing programs with many of the very good alumnus. For example, last few months ago, Aqib joined, and then students from IIM Lucknow, who are all our alumnus. So IEEE is really helping us to connect this. So all these events which you are doing are very, very useful for first year, second year and third year students to learn these skills. So I would like to urge all these my students, and especially the office bearers and chairperson, to organize events which are very useful for first year and second year students. And I'm sure you are doing that. So best of luck from my side, and thank you for inviting me.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, as you all know, in order to celebrate IEEE Week, our student branch is organizing many events. So I would like to call Javeria Sajid to give you a brief descriptions about all the events that we are organizing.
Hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Javeria.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, going on with our events, today's event is our inaugural event, and tomorrow we'll be organizing a coding workshop, which will be a workshop on Python. And on 3rd and 4th of October, we'll be organizing a hackathon. Okay, this hackathon is, we are calling it Design Hack. We'll be organizing this website making hackathon. On 5th of October, we'll be having a webinar by Miss Susan Cathy Land. She is the President and CEO of IEEE of 2021. And on 6th of October, we'll be organizing 2 quiz. One is for BTech level students and BE level students, and the other one is for 11-12 students. And finally, on 7th of October, we'll be organizing a research paper proposal competition in which the candidates would present us their research proposal ideas. So that's all from IEEE, and thank you, and participate in our events.
Thank you so much, Javeria. Now, moving ahead, I would like to humbly request our chairman, Professor Salman Hamid Sahab, to address our audience.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir. Please go ahead.
Professor M.M. Sufyan Beg, Principal ZSCET, Professor Muhammad Rehan, Vice Chairperson, Executive Committee, UP Section of the IEEE, Office Bearers of IEEE Student Branch, and my fellow students. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Office Bearers of IEEE Student Branch for their hard work in organizing this inaugural ceremony, followed by a series of technical and non-technical events on the occasion of this IEEE week. Participating in these events in a large number will not only help you in developing your overall personality, but will also keep you technically updated. IEEE, as the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, is one of the world's largest technical professional organization. It was formed way back in 1963, and since then, IEEE is providing a great platform to the students for working in diversified domains through its various technical society, like Computer Society, Aerospace and Electronic System, Communication, PES, Power and Engineering Society, and many more. It also serves a good platform to be known globally as a profound scientist or an engineer in a particular field. The students are contributing actively to the research field through IEEE, starting from their undergraduate level. Finally, I want to congratulate Mr. Mohammad Zaid, Faculty Advisor, IEEE Student Branch, Dr. Mohammad Tariq, Site Team in Charge, and Ms. Faratulan Y. Banter for leading such a dynamic team in the right direction. Now I conclude, and my best wishes to the IEEE Student Branch for their future endeavors. Thanking you.
Thank you so much, sir. Also, now in order to celebrate the IEEE week, WIE, that is Women in Engineering Affinity Group, is also organizing many events such as poetry competition, speech competition, and resume making webinars, and many events like that. Now, I would request everyone to kindly join that and show your talent there. Lastly, I would like to call Mr. Faizan to present a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Respected Principal Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology, Professor Mirza Muhammad Sufyan Beg Sahab, Chairman, Department of Electrical Engineering, Professor Salman Hamid sir, Branch Counselor, Dr. Zaid sir, Dr. Abu Tariq sir, Women in Engineering Affinity Group Advisor, Ms. Quratul Ain, our alumnus, Mr. Bharat Nandan sir, team members and all the participants. I am Faizan Shakil, BTech third year Electrical Engineering. It is such an honor for me to take this opportunity to thank all the dignitaries on behalf of IEEE Student Branch, Aligarh Muslim University. I'm grateful to our principal, sir, for the time from his busy schedule to grace the inaugural of this beautiful and interesting week. Thank you, sir, for inspiring us with your words. A special thanks to Professor Salman Hamid, sir, Chairman, Department of Electrical Engineering, for motivating and encouraging our team. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Zaid, sir, Dr. Tariq, sir, for their immense support and continuous guidance. I must thank all the coordinators, co-coordinators, and other team members for their hard work in the past few weeks to make IEEE Week celebration more exciting and colorful. I encourage all the students here in the sessions to actively participate in all the upcoming and interesting event that we have planned for you. That's all from my side. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Faizan. So as we are towards the end of the ceremony, of the inaugural ceremony, if anybody who has joined has any particular question regarding the week, we are here to listen to all your questions and clear your queries. So please unmute yourself if you want.